Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be describing a brief about the context and conditions of Restoration era. So in 1642, theaters were closed and in 1649, Charles I was beheaded, and from 1642 to 1660, Puritans were at the rise and Parliament was in power. We can see Oliver Cromwell, the head, you can say, the one who was in power, and in 1658 he died, and 1660 Charles II was back from France. Charles II ruled from 1660 to 1685, and in 1685 James II came in the power. Do remember, the society was Protestant. James II was Catholic, so he ruled from 1685 to 1688, and the society was Puritan. So in 1688, glorious or bloodless revolution took place in which nobody died, but James II was overthrown from power. And after that, King James II daughter Mary II and her husband William III came to power as they were Puritans. John Milton's Paradise Lost in 1667 and John Bunyan's allegorical The Pilgrim's Progress in 1678 were two fundamental texts for the times. After the upheavals of the Commonwealth, there was a strong affirmation of religion and a return to traditional beliefs. In such a context, Milton's Paradise Lost was not read as a Renaissance text about free will and freedom, but as a contemporary on God's supremacy to justify the ways of God to men. So this is a brief in which I have talked about Restoration era, Routledge book context and conditions. You can find it in page 115. And this is the background in which the writers of this age wrote works. So that's all for today's video. If you have any doubt or query, you can ask me in the comment section below, or you can message me in my social media that is given in the description box below. And do share the video to all those who wants to be the part of this literary journey. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.